How to check watch history on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to check watch history on Instagram. Without further ado, let's begin. First thing first, make sure the application Instagram is up to date. If not, head towards Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. If you see update button, update it to the latest version. Tap to open Instagram and make sure that you logged into your account. Now tap on the reel icon at bottom right corner of your screen and let's interact with some of the particular video or post. So let's like this video and let's scroll. You can even comment down to this particular post or video. With that, you need to head towards profile icon at bottom right and tap three line icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down. Now you have to simply navigate to your activity. So here you see different kinds of interactions such as likes, comments, notes, tags and many more. When you open likes, here you see all your watch history, where you see all the interacted videos where you have liked. So if you haven't interacted on any watch history videos, then it won't appear on this section. So make sure you have interacted with each one while watching any videos or post. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.